tip of my finger here is the third smallest chameleon on our planet. This is a Brookesia, or a stump-tailed chameleon. It's a female. You can see how fat she is. She's very pregnant. She's also got a short tail. The males would have a longer tail. But she's got all the attributes of a big chameleon, except it's all tiny. What a cool little thing. She lives in the leaf litter at the bottom of these trees in these mature, healthy forests. So you lose the forests, you lose everything, especially these little guys.